Who is that? Are you in there? Come on out. Come on out. Whee! Go back in. Uncle Matt will shut the door. Shut the door, Uncle Matt.
Sorry, I just got my squares.
Where's Sophie?
There she is. Good job.
You got 0 and 8.
One more time? Okay, one more time. Go back in.
Uncle Matt, be ready to close
Uncle
the door.
Matt, shut the door.
Where's Sophie? You want me to close it? Close it?
No? Okay, all done.